MIT OpenCourseWare app. The pros, the cons. If you've ever dreamed of taking MIT courses for free, the MIT OpenCourseWare app might be your gateway, but does it deliver the learning experience you expect? One of the biggest pros is access. Most people get this wrong by thinking you need to be enrolled at MIT. In reality, the app offers free access to thousands of courses across science, engineering, and humanities. You get lecture videos, assignments, and even exams all at your fingertips. Another advantage is self-paced learning. You can explore topics on your own schedule, which is perfect for working professionals, high school students, or lifelong learners. The app also supports bookmarking and offline downloads, making it convenient for on-the-go study. However, there are cons. Some users find the app interface less polished than typical online learning platforms. There is no certification, so while it's excellent for knowledge, it doesn't provide formal credentials. Additionally, you won't get direct interaction with professors or classmates, which can limit feedback and discussion. In conclusion, MIT OpenCourseWare is a treasure trove for self-motivated learners. The surprising truth is that while it's free and packed with content, success depends on your discipline and initiative. For those committed to learning at their own pace, the app is an incredible resource. Pair it with note-taking and practice, and it can rival a formal education in knowledge acquisition.